Royal Tea Party Chapter 1, The Invitation. In the kingdom of Arundel, Princess Amelia was known for her grace and kindness. One morning, she received an ornate envelope sealed with the royal crest of the neighboring kingdom, Ilaria. Amelia, what could this be? An invitation from Ilaria? She opened the envelope and read the elegant handwriting inside. Dear Princess Amelia, you are cordially invited to a royal tea party hosted by Queen Evelyn of Ilaria. We would be honored by your presence. Amelia's face lit up with excitement as she called for her lady-in-waiting, Emily. Amelia, we have been invited to a royal tea party in Ilaria. We must prepare at once. How wonderful, Your Highness. I will gather your finest gowns and make all the necessary arrangements. Chapter 2. The Journey. The next day, Princess Amelia and Emily set off for Ilaria in a beautifully adorned carriage. The journey through the countryside was picturesque, with rolling hills and blooming flowers. Amelia, look at the scenery, Emily. It's so peaceful and beautiful. Indeed, Your Highness, Ilaria is known for its stunning landscapes. As they traveled, they encountered a young boy sitting by the roadside, looking forlorn. Stop the carriage. We must see if he needs help. Carriage halted, and Amelia stepped out to speak with the boy. Hello there. Are you all right? I lost my way. I was trying to find my grandmother's house. Emily, where does your grandmother live, young man? In the village of Rosendale, just beyond the hills. We're heading to Ilaria, which is near Rosendale. Why don't you join us, and we'll help you find your way. The boy's eyes brightened with hope. Thank you, Princess Amelia. My name is Peter. Welcome, Peter. Get you home. Chapter 3. The Tea Party. After helping Peter reunite with his grandmother, Amelia and Emily arrived at the Grand Palace of Ilaria. They were greeted by Queen Evelyn herself. Evelyn, welcome, Princess Amelia. It is a pleasure to have you here. Thank you, Your Majesty. It is an honor to be here. The tea party was held in a magnificent garden with tables adorned with exquisite porcelain and an array of delectable treats. The guests included royals and nobles from various kingdoms. Evelyn, Amelia, allow me to introduce you to my daughter, Princess Isabella. It is a pleasure to meet you, Amelia. I've heard so much about you. Likewise, Isabella. Your garden is stunning. Thank you. My mother and I take great pride in it. Please join us for tea. As they sipped tea and enjoyed the treats, they engaged in lively conversation. Amelia, I heard you recently embarked on a journey to improve the education system in your kingdom. How is that progressing? It's going well, Your Majesty. We've established new schools and provided training for teachers. Education is the key to a prosperous future. That's wonderful, Amelia. I've been working on a similar project here in Ilaria, focusing on healthcare. I'd love to hear more about it. Perhaps we could collaborate and share ideas. That sounds like a splendid idea. The bond between our kingdoms will only grow stronger through such collaboration. Chapter 4. The Enchanted Forest. As the tea party continued, Queen Evelyn suggested a walk through the Enchanted Forest, which was known for its magical creatures and ancient trees. Would you like to see the Enchanted Forest, Amelia? It's a truly magical place. I would love to. I've heard so much about it. The group ventured into the forest, where the air was filled with the sounds of birds singing and leaves rustling. Suddenly, they heard a soft melodic voice singing. Amelia, who is that singing? It's so beautiful. That is the enchanted nightingale. It is said that its song brings peace and happiness to all who hear it. They followed the sound and found the nightingale perched on a branch, singing a mesmerizing tune. Whenever I feel troubled, I come here to listen to the nightingale. Its song always lifts my spirits. I can see why. It's truly enchanting. As they listened, they felt a deep sense of calm and contentment wash over them. Chapter 5. The Farewell. As the day turned into evening, it was time for Amelia and Emily to return to Arundel. They bid farewell to their new friends. "Thank you for coming, Amelia. I hope we can continue to strengthen the ties between our kingdoms." "Thank you, Your Majesty. I look forward to our future collaborations." "Safe travels, Amelia. Please visit us again soon." "I will, Isabella. Thank you for the wonderful day." As they traveled back to Arundel, Amelia and Emily reflected on their adventure. "Emily, what a delightful day, Your Highness. We've made new friends and learned so much." "Indeed, Emily, and we've experienced the magic of Valeria. It's a day I'll never forget." They arrived home, feeling grateful for the new friendships and the promise of future adventures.